Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we're gonna try another Slinky pour. I have my black Arteza canvas, but we are gonna actually use what I like to call rainbow colors. So how I do that is I use some white. This is a silicone low-leaf FA bowl. I just reuse it again and again. I peel the paint out after it dries. It's awesome. And all the colors I'm using today are Artist Loft Flow acrylics, mixed with floetrol and water. The materials will all be down in the description, so please do me a favor and check that out, including the ratios of my paint mixtures. Okay, so we have white, yellow, blue. Now we're going to add some red, and then we're going to go back to yellow, and then we're going to go back to white. This way we get all of the colors of the rainbow. Now I am going to add just a little bit of black for contrast. Remember, what goes in first in the cup is what comes out last. So what goes in last will come out first. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more blue. And then a little bit more yellow. And top it off with a little bit of red. We have a really full cup here. This is a 12 by 12 canvas. I think I said that already, but I'm not totally sure. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put the Slinky in the middle. And then I'm going to tree ring this in the middle of the Slinky. And then I'll pull you down for the side view as I pull up on the Slinky. Oh, it doesn't fit all of that, so let's do the side view. All right, I'm going to pull up on the very top here. Which is what was requested. Now Slinkies are long, so I can't do this too much. Okay, I'm also I need to fill in some more paint here. All right, I think I'm just gonna take the rest of this and go here. All right, here we go. Let's try that again. Starting from the top. I guess if I just kind of collect it at the top as I go. That should work. This is super cool. Look at that, guys. That is just awesome fun. So last time I didn't pull from the top, and so people requested that I specifically pull from the top. All right. There we go. Okay, there's still quite a bit of paint in there. I'm going to kind of let that sit on the corner. Let's put it back over here. Just so we can use all the paint. And while it's doing that, kind of running out, I'll bring you back up for the top view. Okay. So people have asked me if this is a good method for painting a Slinky. I don't think it is, because the paint will just crack as you open up the Slinky. It does look cool though, huh? Focus. Yeah, so not a good way to tie-dye a Slinky, unfortunately. All right, let's go ahead and do our tilting. And if you didn't see the last, or the first Slinky video that I did, I will post that in the description. I actually did a couple, so I'll just post both of them. So you guys can check them out if you didn't see them yet. Lots of fun. I still have a couple other kind of techniques to try, including doing it over a completely open Slinky. But this is just fun. And guys, If you don't like fun, my videos might not be for you. Just saying. Because I do a lot of fun experiments. That is really cool. So as you can see, the colors really blended as they came through the sides of the Slinky. Yeah, that kind of looks like some crazy asteroid or something. I don't know. Let's go ahead and we'll let this sit here for a little while, and then we'll come in and do our close-up. All right, we're back. It doesn't seem to be really shifting. So let's go ahead and do our close-up. Starting on the lower right-hand corner here. So you can see this part is the part that was the center of the Slinky, so it didn't get as mixed. Upper right-hand corner, so everything around it got pretty mixed. Upper left-hand corner, and down to the lower left-hand corner. I love this corner, look at that. I think it's super cool. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed this version of the Slinky pour. I think this might be my favorite one so far. It's a little bit of a tough call. I really like it. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I will see you all next time.